Hello, Super Sean here, recording, making a video. Today I am doing an archery video for you guys, and yeah, so I'm about to shoot this. I'm doing it with my survival bow that I made by myself. I'm pretty proud of it, and I'm just shooting a stick. That's the target. I missed. Okay. Yeah. After this, camera angle. After this part of the video, I am going to show you the survival bow. Let me just get the arrow like that. Let me just get it correctly. Oh, that failed. Put too much power in it. Let's get the right side of the arrow. Yes, there we go. So I hit the target. That was the target there, the tennis racket. Okay, so I will pause the video and I'll show you my survival bow. So I'll see you in a second, really. Okay, so that is my survival bow. As I said, it has been all made by myself, except from, it's called a father and son bow. I made it at a workshop. All I did is I got one strong branch and one little branch, got some strong masking tape, got chopped that there, that nozzle piece there, and then yeah, just got taped all together, and then we got this special kind of string. I have that there to rest my arrow on, like on this side. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will bring you more videos as soon as I can, okay? So like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you later. Bye!